Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video we are going to be considering how to sew the sleeve of this kaftan suit. So these are the lining and this is the sleeve. So what I have to do now is that I will pick out the sleeve. You know, the sleeve that it has left and it have right hand side. So I pick out the outer sleeve. These are the outer sleeve, and this is the under sleeve. So I have just arranged them where it ought to be. So I will start immediately to run the stitch on this sleeve. So I will commence with the stitch right now. So the wrist area is 10 inches. So and the round sleeve is 15 inches. I'm going to measure the wrist. This is 10 inches. Then divide by 2 will give us 5 inches. Give a notch here. I will also run stitch on the opposite side. I will still mark 5 here. So I will now sew the lining. These are the lining, the two lining for the sleeve. The two lining for the sleeve. So I'm done sewing the lining of this the sleeve of the kaftan suit. We now proceed to the ironing table. We iron this my sleeve. The sleeve I open press it. After open pressing it, then I will fold here to about 2.5 inches folding allowance to it, and then I will return back and continue with the sewing of the sleeve. So I'm back from the table, iron table. You can see how neat it is. See the open pressing. This is the folding, and this is the other side of it. See this? So what I will do now is to attach the lining, our lining, to the sleeve. That's what I will do now. To attach the lining to the sleeve. So we start running my stitch, but before then I will get my interface, apply my interface on it, and run the stitch, joining the sleeve together with the lining. I'm done running the stitch for one hand, so I will commence with the second sleeve. Join of the lining to the sleeve of the kaftan suit. Don't forget to apply your interface, because that interface is what is going to be holding the sleeve, the wrist area of the sleeve. So I'm done running the stitch for this. I will take it to the table, ironing table, so that I will apply the interface to avoid it flipping up. So I will move straight to the table right now. So I'm back from my ironing table. You can see how it is. You can't flip up again. So this is the opposite side of the sleeve. So I'm done preparing the sleeve. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new to my channel, look below this video, you see a subscribe button. Hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all, so that you get notified as soon as I drop the next video for this class. Thank you, and God bless you.